Let's take a look at how to change some user interface settings in Tungsten Power PDF. First, we'll take a look at how to change the display theme. From the ribbon menu, we'll go to View, and then we can change the skin, which is the colour of the application itself. You can change from the default, which is blue, to dark grey, light grey, or purple. Let's go ahead and change the skin to the colour purple, and we'll need to restart Power PDF for this to take effect. Once reopened, the interface is now purple. Next, we'll cover how to customize the ribbon. This feature is only available in Power PDF for Business. To do this, you can right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. We're going to create a new tab to group together a number of features that I use often. To get started, I'll click the New Tab button and then rename both the tab and the group. Commands are added at the group level. So let's go ahead and we'll add a few commands. From the popular commands list, I'll add the highlight tool. You can then see it added underneath my group. Next, from the main tabs list, I'll add the sequencer. We'll select advanced processing, batch, and we'll add the sequencer. And lastly, I'll add the typewriter from the edit section. We can now see our new tab on the ribbon with our selected commands for quick access. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.